Welcome friends, I am Balasivarama Reddy. I am going to explain how to draw rectangle. So there are various ways to draw rectangle. So let us see some of the ways how to draw rectangle. So the first method is providing two corners. In providing two corners, two types are there. One is absolute coordinate method, another one is relative coordinate method. And if you don't know what is absolute coordinate method and relative coordinate method, I have explained in the previous video how to draw line. Using line, I have taught what is absolute coordinate system, coordinate and relative coordinate. And next method is area method, dimension method and rotation method. So first let's get started with absolute coordinate. So providing two corners by absolute coordinate. So to draw the rectangle, so here in the ribbon, here you can click on rectangle or you can type in the command line REC. So REC rectangle, it is asking specify the first corner points. So absolute coordinate point, so x and y value, so 0 comma 0, enter. Now it is asking the next corner point. So we will take a dimension of length 20 mm and width 10 units, 20 units and 10 units. So it is asking to specify next corner. So 20 comma 10, enter. Now we got a rectangle length of 20 mm and width of 10 mm. So let's measure it. So dimension, so length 20 mm, so width 10 mm. So this is absolute coordinate method. Next, relative coordinate method. So REC, or I will click here rectangle. So here also it is asking specify the first corner point. So click anywhere. So click. So first corner point is selected. The right hand side corner point we have to give. So in relative method, at the rate. So at the rate x value 20, that is length, comma width, so y value 10. So we will get same length 20 and width 10. So dimension 20 mm, 10 mm. So 10 units and 20 units and 10 units. So this is relative coordinate method. Mostly we will be using these two methods in common. Okay, providing two corner method. The next method for specific purpose. So to come out from the command, escape. Now area method. So same REC, enter. So it is asking to specify the corner point. So I will click here. So next here area. You can type A shortcut or click here area. It is asking what is the area. So to get same area, it is 200, enter. Now we can give length or width. So by default here it is length. So length 20, enter. Calculate the dimension based on length. So length 20 mm. So we are getting the rectangle of 20. So I will repeat, Control Z. So rectangle, click on rectangle, click anywhere. I will click here. So area method, so 200 area, 200 units, length or width, so 20 20 units, enter. So we got rectangle with same. So measure dimension 20, width 10. So this is area method. Next method is dimension method. So in dimension method, escape. So dimension method, we have to give the dimension. So rectangle REC, enter. Now specify any one point. So I will select here. Okay, so dimension, so length how much, 20, enter. Next width 10 So here in whichever direction we move the mouse, the rectangle will be created. So we have, if you move the mouse towards right, here rectangle will be created. So downwards, like in this fashion, right side, left side, top. So in whichever direction we move the mouse, it will change. So click after the direction, click. So this is dimension method. So here also dimension will be 20, 10. The last method, rotation method, if we have to rotate it in an angle, then we will go for rotation method. Otherwise, angle we can give it as 0 degrees. If it is an incline, then we will go for rotation. So REC, enter. So specify the first corner point. Rotation, so R. So here it is asking for the angle, so we can specify 0 degrees, enter. Now it is same, when you give 0 it is same. Now you can give dimension, so 20, 10. So you can click, so you will get the 20 10 So if we are drawing in an inclined way, then rectangle REC, enter. So we'll click here, so rotate. So angle, I'll give some 20 degrees, enter. Now dimension same, 20, enter. Width 10 So we are getting inclined at certain, so dimension, so 20 10 so angle will be 20 degrees. So this is rotation method. So these are the various methods for drawing a rectangle. Thank you. If you feel this video will be useful for your friends, please share the video. Thank you.